Hello everyone, welcome to my post. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple deepfake video.
I'll be using the first order motion model for image animation. The link is on my blog post. You can just copy and paste, and then you copy to the drive. And next, you click on the play button for the first part to load. And when it's done, you can click on the play button for the second part. Next, you scroll all the way to the end, where you will see a part where you can choose the images. You can select any one you want here. There are cartoons available, dolls, Game of Thrones characters, as well as statues. And next, you can upload your video, or you can select any of the videos there. So for me, I upload my video, and your video has to be 256 by 256 pixel. Next, I selected Mona Lisa, and I click on the generate button. It will take a while to load.
Hi, thanks for coming to my blog. This shall be my final post for this semester. Hopefully I won't have to come back again next semester.
Then you can choose to download or convert. Thank you.